Hey everyone, welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. If you are getting a P0456 error code, this video is going to show you two practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the OBD2 scanner to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0456. It means the evaporative emission system is now detected with a very small leak, and it's normally more than 0.02 inches in diameter. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the canister purge valve. The canister purge valve is usually located behind the intake right next to the throttle body. For demonstration purposes, we have removed the canister purge valve prior to filming. But you should locate this component in your car while the engine is still running and place your finger at the vacuum port to check its functionality. If your finger experiences vacuum suckage, it means the canister purge valve is stuck and needs to be replaced. Simply take the used canister purge valve off and replace with the correct new one. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0456 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD2 scanner to clear the error code, and tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY car fixes, and drop a comment if you've ever dealt with this code. See you next time.